Hello, what's up guys? This is Iki Marsalas and welcome back for me another video. So medyo matagal-tagal akong hindi nakapag-channel review and napili ko nga si Sir Gavin yung kanyang YouTube channel na i-review, and let's find out kung magkano yung kanyang estimated earnings sa kanyang YouTube channel. Ayun. So sa kanyang upload, meron siyang 1,334 total upload videos sa kanyang YouTube channel with 5.5 million something subscribers, with a total video views of 1,975,005,261. And the country is from the Philippines. Channel type is more on entertainment. So since more on good vibes yung kanyang ina-upload sa kanyang YouTube channel, and of course dun sa Facebook. And user created September 15, 2012. So, ang total grade sa Social Blade is letter A, negative. Social Blade rank of 3,903. Subscribers rank of 8,818 rather, with a video views rank of 7,371. Country rank of 36. And since nasa category siya ng entertainment, ang kanyang rank ay 624. So yung subscriber for the last 30 days niya ay bumaba ng 22.6%. So nakakuha siya ng 230,000 subscribers nung nakaraang buwan. And the estimated monthly earnings with a minimum of 24,000 US dollars to maximum of 384,000 US dollars something. So video views for the last 30 days, so bumaba din to ng 15.4% na nagka-gain ng 96 million something total video views yan guys. Total subscriber weekly, so you can see the graph. Estimated yearly earnings na merong 288,000 something to maximum of 4.6 million something. Ang taas ng kanyang estimated earnings. So this is only an estimated earnings guys ha. And this is not the actual earning na nakukuha niya sa kanyang YouTube channel. So let's proceed naman dito sa kanyang YouTube summary, sa kanyang statistics. So kung makikita ninyo, meron siyang 5.5 million subscribers, then video views na 3,204,140, and with estimated earnings of 801 US dollars to maximum of 12,800 US dollars. So you can see the details there. The date kung kailan nagkaroon ng views, nagkaroon ng numbers of subscribers, video views. When it comes to that, merong 2.6 million, 5.5 million, 5.7, 3.4 million, 3 million, 2.5, so on and so forth. Doon sa naman sa estimated earnings, makikita nyo yung 670 US dollars to maximum of 10,700 US dollars, 1,400 US dollars to maximum of 22.2 US dollars. Yung details niya is 1.4 and 23.2 thousand 864 to maximum of 13,800 US dollars, so on and so forth. So ang tataas ng kanyang estimated every day. So, ayan yung details guys. So, when it comes to daily average, meron siyang sa subscribers guys 7,600 something every day. And then, yung video views niya is 3,202,381 with the minimum estimated earnings daily to guys 801 US dollars to maximum of 12.8 thousand US dollars. And when it comes to weekly average, meron siyang 53.6 new subscribers sa kanyang YouTube channel with a total video views of 22,416,737 total video views, with weekly average earning na 5,600 US dollars to maximum of 89,700 US dollars. So for the last 30 days naman, meron siyang total subscribers na 230,000 new subscribers sa kanyang YouTube channel with total video views last 30 days na 96,071,707. And then yung minimum estimated earnings for the last 30 days, mayroong 24,000 US dollars to maximum of 384,300. So, estimated lang to guys. Hindi ito yung actual na kinikita ni Sir Gavin sa kanyang YouTube channel. So, before I forget, don't forget to follow Sir Gavin sa kanyang YouTube channel, at kung gusto niyo ng mga good vibes sa video and for entertainment, check out niyo yung kanyang mga video sa kanyang Facebook and of course sa kanyang YouTube channel. So, let's move on sa kanyang YouTube Analytics history for Sir Gavin. That is monthly gain video views for Sir Gavin. So, nung last January 22, merong total na 10,340,944 total video views. And last May, meron siyang total video views na 14,133,451. And then nung September, that would be last year. Yan. So, meron siyang 37,949,351. Ang gaganda or ang tataas ng kanyang performance or ng kanyang video views nung nakaraang taon and hanggang sa kasalukuyan. So, let's move on sa kanyang January. Ayan. January, meron siyang 32,365,236 total video views. And nung May, meron siyang 58,546,987 total video views. And then nung September, meron siyang 91,784,252 total video views. So ang tataas ng close to 1 billion yung kanyang video views sa loob lang ng isang buwan. So, ano pala to? 2022, 2023, and then 2024. So, dito tayo sa January 2024. Meron siyang total video views na 74,9,734 total video views. And nung last May na meron siyang 101,332,402 total video views. So, hindi masyadong pinapakita yung, eto pala yung details. That is for the month of May. Month of June na merong 114,853,533 total video views. So, nalugaw ako doon guys kasi parang it's been a while na hindi ako gumagawa ng channel review, kaya eto na nakakaligtaan ko. And then itong dot na ito yung last part, which is July 2024 na merong 117,617,546 total video views. So ang laki ng kanyang video views nung nakaraang buwan, which is July and August ngayon. So since hindi pa updated at hindi pa siya kasama dito sa analytics na to. Ayan. So dito naman sa kanyang monthly gain subscribers. So makikita niyo yung graph, it's going up and down. And let's start sa kanyang month ng May, that is 2024, which is nakakuha siya ng 260,000 new subscribers sa kanyang YouTube channel. At bumaba nga ito nung May 2024 na merong 250,000 new subscribers sa kanyang YouTube channel, and then tumaas ito noong June 2024, which is nakakuha siya ng 370,000 new subscribers sa kanyang YouTube channel, at bumaba ulit papunta dito. Meron siyang 280,000 new subscribers sa kanyang YouTube channel. So, guys, this is only an estimated earnings. Nobody knows how much he earned on his YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow him on his TikTok account and of course sa kanyang Facebook, and please subscribe to his YouTube channel. Shout out kay Sir Gavin, and nagamit ko yung kanyang account para ma-review ko, and very successful na si Sir Gavin kasi nabili niya yung mga properties, house and lot, mga kotse, motor, and then sa pagkakalam ko nagpapag-giveaway din siya ng mga motorcycle sa kanyang mga solid na subscribers, followers sa kanyang YouTube, and of course sa kanyang Facebook. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. So, this is only an estimated earnings, so nobody knows how much you earn. So, I made this video just to inspire others na meron talagang pera dito sa YouTube and sa other platform. So, thank you for watching and be safe. Ciao!